Have you ever wondered how much of the food that you buy is wasted and therefore how much of your money is wasted because of this? I'm your host Julian, and today we'll be analyzing just this in today's episode of Sophia and Julian's Kitchen. And in order to do this, we will be doing a simple exercise. Today we will be using the frozen blueberries with bananas in order to prepare juices. Now, let's go with Sophia, who will show us how she prepares these juices.
Thank you, Julian. So now we're gonna start making our juice. First, we're gonna weigh our fruits. Here we have some blueberries and some bananas. Here we can see the blueberries weight is 14 grams. Now we're gonna see the weight of the bananas. Here we see almost a pound. So now we're gonna start making our blueberry juice. Now we're gonna strain our blueberry juice. Now we'll see the waste of the fruit that we used in our first juice. So now we're gonna see the weight of this waste. The weight is configured without the waste of the bowl, so it doesn't matter. So here we can see that initially is 228 grams, the weight of the first waste. Now we're gonna show how much juice we have left. This is the weight now after we blended the juice and we take out the waste. Now we're gonna make our second juice. Here we have the banana that we already have weighed. Now I'm gonna take off this of the bananas. In this moment, we're gonna weigh the waste of the banana cascara. 175 grams of waste of the bananas. We put our bananas into the blender, just like this. Now we're gonna strain the banana juice, even if it's not necessary, but we're gonna see why it is not necessary to strain. Now we're gonna weigh the waste of the banana juice. You can see 48 grams of waste from the banana juice. Now, putting together both waste, we have a total amount of 187 grams. Now we're gonna see the total amount of banana juice that we have. We see that we have 1 liter, 135 milliliters. And here we see our both juice. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sophia. Now, let's jump into the numbers to see how much of this waste that Sophia just showed us is costing us right now. Taking into consideration that the frozen blueberry costed us 4,000 pesos and the bananas costed us 700 pesos each, for a total of 2,100 pesos in bananas, we ended up having 6,100 pesos. Thus, we have a total of 410 grams for the blueberry and 448 grams for the bananas. With a total of 858 grams for both fruits and with a total waste of 384 grams for both fruits, it is possible to see that the waste of these fruits represents a total of 44.75% of fruits, or in pesitos that will be a total of 2,790 with 75 cents in total of pesitos. So that was all, folks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode.